Before you're ready to set out, you and the rest of your crew need to be aware of 10 necessary precautions. First, keep in mind, a water exchange cannot be performed while a ship is at full steam. And the entire process may take between half a day to 2 days. You need to factor this into your planning. It is required to do water exchanges during the day when bottom-dwelling creatures are less likely to come to the water's surface. And keep away from any marine sanctuaries, preserves, coral reefs, and sewage outfalls. In the event of high waves or turbulent waters, it is not recommended to conduct a water exchange due to concerns for safety of both crew and vessel. Remember that not all ships are alike. If you're conducting an empty refill exchange, empty tanks one by one, or in balanced pairs to maintain the ship's weight distribution. If you're using the flow-through method, you should remove manhole covers and butterworth openings for proper venting. Whatever your method, clean tanks thoroughly and on a regular basis. Sediment in tanks builds up over time and must be cleaned either mid-sea or disposed of at a proper shoreside facility and not in coastal waters. Run frequent assessment of ballast equipment to make sure everything's in proper order. Know that elements like weather conditions, including icing on deck and low visibility, can also be a factor. Even the ship's own sailing conditions can be a factor. In the event of too much trim, bridge visibility during water exchanges may not be sufficient. Finally, make sure you know everything that's required of you from port states. This means filling out a ballast water report, which looks something like this. Many port states require this form to be submitted at least 24 hours before entering. An accurate report and well-maintained handling log is often the difference between staying on schedule and a thorough inspection. Remember, some standards are stricter than others. Failing to meet specific port requirements is the most common mistake in ballast water management.